If you're ready to make money in 2025 online, this video is for you. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create digital template. It is easy and simple. I'm going to make this so easy for everybody to understand. You can make money while you are sleeping with digital products. These are things that are going well in 2025. So digital template is something that is useful to people. People can download it and use it on their phone and on their laptops without you shipping to them or calling for so many problems. These are products you make on your phone and put a link on it, and people download it and use it over and over again. You're making it once and sell to millions of people just that one product. So let me give you examples of digital products you can actually sell. One, you can sell monthly budget planner. Two, you can sell Instagram post design. Three, you can sell business card, design business card and sell to people that need it. You can sell to-do lists. You can sell resume or CV formats. These things, people love it and it saves them time. So they don't have time to come and start designing themselves. You design it and sell to them and they buy. It is simple. Who buys these products? People like small business owners and big business owners buy this product. Students buy this product. Content creators buy this product. Moms and shop owners buy this product. They all want these templates. They don't have time to make them from scratch. It is in your hand to make them, push it out to them to see, and they will get it. It is so simple. In 2025, you need digital product to survive. You need digital product. You need to start selling digital products. Now, I'm going to tell you how you can make digital templates. You don't even need to have knowledge about it before you can start creating your own templates. You can use free apps like Canva to design your own templates. If you don't have Canva, go to App Store and download Canva, then open it. Choose a design like Instagram post or planner. It will show every design is there. Then pick any one you like. Change the color and text. Save it and it's ready to sell. Digital product sells like water in 2025. So I'm spilling all these things. This is what I do. I said, let me share with you people. So start selling digital product to make your money. You can sell your templates on your website. You can sell it on other websites like Shopify, Gumroad, and even your own website. You can sell it on those places. In Nigeria, I sell on Seller. Like this site lets people pay and download your product immediately. You push it to those websites and you put your link there. People come there, download it, and pay you. How much money can you make from digital products? I'm going to tell you. Let's say you sell one product. For example, you sell a product, probably an ebook. You sell an ebook for $10 and 100 people buy it. That is, you're making $1,000 if 100 people buys your product. And you know you're only making this product once and you're getting $1,000. You see the gain in digital products. So this is how you can get buyers. You can use TikTok, Instagram Reels, or Pinterest to show how those things you made work, how your template works. Like make a short video showing what your template does. It is easy. Showcase what your template does. Just start. In 2025, you don't need to relax. You start selling digital products. You don't have to put in all the effort in this world before you start selling digital products. Just know how to design on Canva and we are good to go. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and comment. And if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do for more tips like this. Thank you and God bless you.